Alright, are we live? Maybe? We're live? The internet can totally see you. Not now. Okay, so theoretically we are live and you can hear me. Let me just make sure that not now. Okay. No, go away. Alright. So I'm live. I need a drink. Hang on. I'm sure you guys, by the title, can tell that this isn't going to be... It sounds a bit worse than usual. Should sound about the same. Is it just worse, or is it worse in a certain way? Okay. Alright, anyways, I'm sure you can tell by the title, though, that this isn't going to be another Call of Duty video. It's a programming video. Sounds like a typical CSGO voice chat mic. That's interesting, because it's the same microphone. Is it listenable though? Or should I really focus on it? Okay, so it is gainy. Which is interesting. Properties. Fuck. It's been a long time since I've used advanced audio properties. You're good there. Fudge. It's been a hot minute since I've done this. Audio. That's all about right. See, Isaac, you have my stupid, Sorry, I got a message on Discord. Oh, it's been... Yeah, I know. You have that microphone for a while. I kind of want it back, just a little bit. Monster, just so you know. So, one of the biggest ways that people stream and record video is with a product called OBS, Open Broadcast Software. I think Open Broadcasters Software, I think is what it stands for. And it's what I normally use. Basically, it's a screen capture, and it either records to the disk so you can make a video about it, or you can live stream, which is what I'm doing now. It's this little icon up here. Oh, fuck. I also use Linux for my main OS, so instead of Windows, I want to use Streamlabs since I've been doing a lot of streaming. Streamlabs, though, doesn't support Linux. But since you can just freely download the code for Streamlabs, theoretically I can just work on it. Yeah, so since you can download it, Streamlabs is open source. You can download the code and work on it yourself, and then you can put your changes into onto the main repository, so it gets pushed into the full-on app that everyone uses. And so I can go in. So right now, here's the code. Here is all of the code for. If we open it up, you can see Streamlabs OBS. Okay, this is all of the code for Streamlabs. This is just all the code that they've been working on for however long they've been working on it. It does not work on Linux. And I know, well, I think I know why. And it's because of, I have been working on this a little bit. It's going to take a minute. Okay. Yeah, it takes a minute to build it, and theoretically, when I run this, it should just work. I should be able to run Linux, or should be able to run it in C, but we get this error. Node 32, or Node Win32 NP is not compatible. Yeah, I want to be able to do all of that and stuff. I just can't because I'm on Linux and it doesn't support it. So pretty much my goal though is if I translate this to Linux, theoretically it should work. Knock on wood. Which is what this is. This is me trying to make it work on Linux. I lost my train of thought. Yeah, theoretically, if I make this work on Linux, it should work on, or it should just work, probably. But this is also going to be interesting because I don't know. I don't know C++, which is what this is written in. I wonder how much of this I should hide. Oh. Okay, actually, I'm going to just turn the desktop audio all the way down because you guys don't need to hear it. You don't need to hear all the beeps and bops and stuff that my computer makes. Okay, okay, so let's let's reclone it. I probably could have just get clone if I can type. Probably could have just repulled it, but it's fine. What I think I need to do though is I need to make this a new package, since I need to figure out how they build it. Get reset headboard. You know, I'm not gonna lie, the other night when it was like 2 in the morning and GitHub wasn't working, I did do a git push force on a couple repositories. So if you're using I don't think you were using those ones. Isaac, you know what they are. I'm not going to tell everyone else though, because it's a little bit of a secret kind of thing. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know what I was talking about. Yeah, so this is, so I think my issue, server CPP, server HPP, common HPP. So this, we need to figure out why that's not working. Cannot open that file. I know why. I need a capture card. I want to get a capture card. I want to get a capture card. I just, I have not yet. Okay, so theoretically now we have node modules, which is good. Yeah, if I have a capture card, I can go from the PS4 into the capture card and then stream from OBS. I just can't now. So when I've been streaming off the PS4, it's been using the PS4's built-in live streaming, stream engine, whatever you want to call it, built-in version of OBS. And it's not great to use. That's why like the first couple minutes of every one of the streams from the PS4 was like, hang on, let me fix some stream stuff, because I hate doing anything on PS4. Now we need to figure out why this is not working. It should work. $60 probably. Here, let me check it here. We'll look on eBay as a team here. eBay. Put 2 Y's. Alright, eBay. What you got? HDMI capture card. And we can do USB capture card, because I don't have a computer that I can let's find one from a company I actually recognize. Let's just look at Elgato. I know Elgato, I know what people say. They're expensive and they don't perform as well as other ones, but they're pretty good. So an Elgato HD60. This one's $70. $80 after I don't actually so it's 1080p 60, which would be perfect for what I need it for. I don't need that's a good idea. Let's do that. I don't know why my internet's being so bad. USB capture card. 4-star and up, and we'll do sort by average customer review. This is not what I want. So apparently that's the best one, but I don't want one like that. Avermedia. See, Avermedia is another good company. Well, actually, streaming and recording doesn't take a ton of CPU resources. Right now I'm using, for live streaming, I'm using 10 to 15% of my CPU. And I have everything's going perfect. So you really don't need a good computer if you're going to use it for a dedicated stream computer or recording computer. Avermedia USB capture card. Yeah, and honestly, encoding's not, especially if you turn down your resources and you're not trying to stream 4K 60 lossless, and you're willing to go down to 1080 30 with a little bit of a dip of performance. Like, I mean, if you look at this stream, does it look bad? I think we can look at the settings here. Right now I have the bitrate at 2500, audio at 160. I'm using H.264, and at 1080p 30 FPS, it's using, like I said, 15% of my. And we can take a look-see and see what I have here. An i7 at 1.8 gigahertz. So, really, like, you can, if you're gonna only use it for what really punishes your computers if you're streaming and playing games at the same time, that really takes a hit. HDMI, USB capture card. You're very expensive. Yeah, like this is $55. Avermedia is about $100. So, like, here's PowerMR. So 70 to. I wish I had an HDMI port I could plug these into, because they would be perfect. This is what I want. But, anyways, yeah. So it's about $50 to $100 for a. GPU unless you set it up that way, rendering and streaming doesn't touch your GPU. Which, contrary to popular belief, I think streaming off your CPU is just fine. I don't think you need GPU encoding for live streaming. Changed my mind. I need another drink now. But, you know, that does seem like an issue. Especially if you're just using Google and Discord. I need you. Okay, so we'll figure out why you can't open. I don't know why. Nope. Yeah, I want to buy a better computer as well. I'd love to. I think that would be really nice. Where am I? Oh, I don't know what I need. Node modules, node addon.api, and then like that. That should just, yeah, see, it works that time. Nope, apparently not. What? Cannot open source file. Why do you have 3 errors? What are you 3? You only have 2 errors. Get over yourself. You only have 1 error. Let's get rid of a lot of this. Let's close out a lot of this stuff here. So you have issues. Do you have issues? No. Yeah, apparently. Why do you have issues? Okay, so client.hpp. It can't open. Oh, really? What do you have open to read chat? What do you mean to read chat, monster? But Isaac, yes, I figured that part out. I did figure that it can't read the file. I'm trying to find out why it can't open nodeapi.h. Because it's right there. It's right here! Are you talking about like what I have open? Here, I can just show you what this computer, or what my other, I have 2 screens. We'll hide Discord for you. Screen capture, and we can just, hang on a second, I'll get back to you in a second. So here's what my, here's what my stream computer, or my stream screen looks like. So I have OBS over here, and I have YouTube over here, which gives me all of my information that I need, basically. But I normally hide that stuff because it's boring and doesn't change, and you guys can see all of it. Include errors detected. Please update your include path. Huh. I don't know what that means. Okay. I keep getting distracted with things. I probably should focus on this. It's not plain. Node API. Node API. So yeah, so it's an H. So if we do src node API.h, so that should work, right? I don't know why that's not working. Are you mad because I have that? So is that okay? Okay. Well, apparently that worked here, so I didn't need the // so haha, I was right. Isn't this fun? Aren't we all having fun here? The answer is no. Nappy.h. So what are you mad about? If So you're okay there, but what if we do dot slash? What if dot slash is the right answer? Nope. Dot slash isn't the right answer either. I'd have fun if you have any questions, ask. I will do my best to answer what's going on. I'm going to try talking about it. Isaac, though, is much better at C++ than I am because he actually knows how to write code in C++. I do not. So I'm sure he can help too. Maybe. I'm going to throw him on the spot there. He smiled. I'm going to count that as a good. I'm going to count that as a yes. But all of this, technically, I don't actually need to read, probably, because I don't care. Sure. Include errors detected. So why are you mad? I don't know. We followed. You know, I'm trying to make it fun still. Okay, server.hpp. So there's errors in u. In comment.hpp. Comment.hpp is right there. Oh, you're mad because windows.h isn't a real thing. Go away, outline. I don't care about you. Okay, so oh yeah, what are you working on? We can all talk about our little side projects here. So we need to figure out though what they're calling windows.h about. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Nothing has changed about my setup except for I'm not streaming from a PS4 anymore. Same microphone. You're working on whiteboard. Okay, that's a pretty cool project. But I don't know why, and I can't figure out how to add toolbars, docs. I can't figure out how to add filters because I'm guessing it's somewhere. I don't know. Isaac has my good microphone, and I want it back, kind of. Okay. Nappy.h has an issue. Why are you mad? I don't know what this means. We're going to Google this real quick. C++, bam. Okay. Check whether the given token has been defined earlier in the file or in an included file. If not, it includes the code between it and the closing else or no, or if no else is present, end if statement. The if in def is often used to make header files independent by defining a token once the file has been included and checking that the token was not set at the top of that file. Okay, so can we get rid of it? Do we just need a end if? Yeah, I do too. Yeah, no, it'll be fine. Look, see, nothing's gone wrong. Absolutely nothing happened. Actually, it didn't look like anything happened to this file, at least, but we'll put it back. I want to know why it's not. Why it says that we have an error here. I honestly, I wonder if it's just a linter being weird. But it's not. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Okay, my computer just froze up on me. What's your issue? Why is include errors detected? Please update your include path. Squiggles are disabled for the translation unit. Server.cpp, see what your issue is. Server.hpp. What? Why are you not working? Do all of these have that issue? Yeah. So fixtures. Edit include path settings. Okay. Okay, include path. So let's open one of these up again and please update your include path. Just Google that and see what Google says to do. Okay, so it's me. It's not just me. It's I just need some sleep. Forgot to set the compiler path. Huh. So, how do I set the compiler path? Let's figure that out real quick. So what if we do that? Is that going to work? Is that going to fix my issue? Well, I know you have issues, but... No, it did not. I don't know how to set compiler path. G++ instead of GCC. I don't have G++. We only have Clang and GCC. Those are your options. Let's talk about that. Alright, let's see what fucking breaks. Apparently everything. But that did get me to where I need to be. Ooh, isn't this fun? This is a nice, good, interesting video. What if we do... Is that even a real thing? Let's find out. So it's user bin G++, cd user bin ls cd G++? Nope, not a thing. Is it a file? Oh, it sure is. Okay. So we do have G++, but is it a executable? It's a binary. Yeah, so if we do G++.exe, maybe? I think that worked. So maybe? Nope. Okay, so that's fine. So it's mad that we have Windows, so that's good, I think. Here, let's That's what I was pretty sure, but you can run exes on Linux. Wine. Okay, so it fixed it for me anyways, I guess. I did get close. Something new happened. That's always exciting. But I think that fixed it. Maybe? Server.hpp. See, it's mad that we can't find windows.h. Which I think is our only issue at this point. Client.hpp, can't open Windows. Nope, include path still has issues. Yeah, you can't open Windows, can't open Windows. You're okay. Nope. Nope, can't open Windows.h. Probably can't open Windows.h. Nope, include errors though. That's interesting. Yes, open that. So, program name, workspace folder, and then we can do on Linux side mp out args command environment set up commands yada yada yada. So if we just add this to this, we might be able to user.bin.g++, maybe compiler path is not allowed. Oh, that's neat. Okay, launch program does not exist. We'll run it with the .NET compiler. What do you guys think? Okay. Are we gonna have any include errors? Include errors detected. God. Why do we have include errors? Client.h. It's in the same file, so it's gotta be. I don't know what's going on here. Don't get mad. I'm not getting mad. Me too. Code makes me mad. I think all of these come back to the fact that Windows.h isn't a thing. According to this person, a file or one of its dependencies can't be found. So I'm thinking because we don't have Windows.h, everything that relies on Windows.h or calls common.h, or I think so yeah, anything that calls common.hpp, which includes Windows, makes it mad. So I think if we can get Windows.h working, so no, I think we need to work on getting Windows.h working. Maybe. So can we get Windows.h C++? Is that going to be available to us? Yeah, so it is a Windows-specific header file for C and C++, which contains declarations for all the functions in the Windows API and common macros used by Windows programmer and all the div data. So yeah, it's just a Win32 API, which now we have to basically rebuild all of the features we need in Linux, or find people who have already done those. We need to figure out all of these, and then figure out which ones we're using, and where the issue is. What if we try going back to... Okay, nice. That's some great mic quality. I know! It's almost like I'm having to use... Well, hang on. Let me try using that lav mic you have. Audible again? Is there anything now? Yes, maybe? Because OBS is saying yes, but there we go. Okay, so we're just back to the buttons mic again because apparently the lav mic I have doesn't work. So anyways, let's just make a new we'll make, so we'll so we're gonna make a new node project. Yeah, I think it's just how it's configured. I haven't done any configuring to it. I literally just plugged it in and went. I mean, honestly, that's just all it was. Let me also try that. Does that sound a little bit better? If we turn that down a little bit. Can you still hear me? Maybe? Because I did do a little bit of configuring there. It may have worked. Now it's just quiet. Okay, well that's fine. I can turn it back up. Like that. Does that sound a little bit better? Because, I want nothing but the best. It's more quiet. It shouldn't be more quiet. I turned it back up again. Yeah, better? Good? Now? Does that sound good to you guys? Because it does not look good to me. It's also less gainy. Yeah, I was also using the built-in microphone on my laptop and not my headset mic. So, anyways, yeah, so if we do init, package name, node Linux np, version 1. We're not even going to call it 1.0. We're going to call it 5.0. Description. We're just going to copy and paste that description from GitHub here. Okay. Entry point is main.js, I think. Yes, main.js. Main.js. Test command. We're not going to have one. Git repository. It's that. But without that first, closing. Okay, keywords. We're not going to deal with that. Author. Me. License. MIT license. Yes, that looks good to me. Okay, so let's work on getting this built back up here. Okay, so if we do package.json and we do old package.json, we figure out what all we need to do. Name, version, description, private, main.js, dependencies, yada yada yada. Okay, so we're going to get rid of scripts because we don't need that apparently. Repository, author, license. We're going to yada yada yada. Nice, good to have stuff. Okay, if we do OS is Linux, CPU is x64 and dev dependencies dependencies is up there. Well, I'll be goddamned. Is node add-on API in version above 1.5.0. Okay, so now theoretically we can run node install, npm install, sudo rmr node modules. You did not feel. I'm so proud of you. Can I pin messages on this? I don't honestly know. No, I can't. But I can put you in timeout. I wish I could like pin messages or some shit like that, or spam messages. That's fine. Yada yada. Go away. Stop. Done. But guys, this is important. This is very, very important, guys. Oh, shit. Go back. Isaac did not fail CS. He did not fail his computer science class. I'm so proud of you. You gotta come over and we'll celebrate. We'll, I don't know what we'll do. Program, I guess? But yeah, I'm proud of you, my dude. Okay, so oh, that's frickin' dang neato there, my dude, my main man. I'm done. I only work till 9 tonight. That's, oh, I know. Okay, my bad. Okay, so theoretically, yeah, there we go. So if we do node or npm build, is it? npm update check failed. Whoop. Yes, I meant run is what I meant. Did anything happen? Nothing happened, I don't think. Okay, but we can rmr old package .json. We can get rid of sudo rm old package lock.json. So now we have all of that. And if I remember right, node module isn't done. Launch.json. It's not. Well, because VS. Okay. So we'll make a commit here real quick. Moved project to its own npm package. Git push. Alright, so okay. There we go. Ooh. Gotta stretch. Okay. So now I guess we gotta actually do this. So what are you mad about? Yeah, so now we just gotta figure out what's all using So why can you, what are you having issues with? Yada yada yada, yada yada yada. So why are you having issues? actually knows what the fuck they're doing, and they're like, oh my god, you idiot, you spent 50 minutes trying to figure out how to do this, and it's just some stupid, simple issue. Because that's my life. That's what would happen. Package that chase. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Whoa. There's this huge... Oh, there's a bunch of contributors. Okay. Isn't Stack Overflow so nice? So, like, this is pretty much what we have. They have a lot more than we do. Let's change contributors to like this format. Mostly they're like, oh, why are you doing that? And it's like, don't fucking worry about it, okay? Don't worry about it. Oh, well, I'm the only author, so I'm the author. Nobody else is contributing, so haha, you don't get your name on it. If you want your name on it, you can fucking do that. Is it gonna let me collapse it? Oh, it sure is. Nice. Haha. Integrity. Huh. Nice. Okay. Alright, let's do actual stuff. That's probably a good idea. Nothing.c. What? It's just an empty file. An empty C file. Okay. Okay. I don't know what it would be, but I also don't know what else it would be. Like, I feel like that's just... Can I just delete that? Does anything require it? Like, if I just delete this file... Does anything break? Any more than it already was? No. No, it fucking doesn't. So you know what we're going to do? Real quick, what we're going to do here. Here's what we're going to do here. License. Nope. Here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to fucking goddamn do. We're gonna make a commit to the Node add-on API. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna fucking contributors, yada yada yada, code of conduct maybe. Standards, responsibility, scope, enforcement, yada yada yada. I don't care. I wonder if there's, what do commits look like? I wonder if there's a certain way they do it. No, they don't. Neato, being frickin' Neato, dude. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Oh, nope. Not what I wanted. We're gonna get rid of it. I don't care enough. I changed my mind. See you, my dude. Have fun. God, so now I just gotta figure out what all is going on here. Okay, you can go away. Include errors detected. So we need to figure out what they're using from Windows.h and get rid of it. How do you do comment? Okay, so like that. So what's going to break? A bunch of things, apparently. Does anything actually break? Do we even need Windows.api? Don't. See, my dude, I have a good one. Okay, here's my question now. Include errors detected. So do we actually need this file? I don't think so. Okay, so you are mad because I can't find you, which is bizarre because you include you need it for type defs. Well, that's I'm guessing so, but I don't know what types that we need from it is what I want to see, because I want to see what it's actually calling from there. Because then we can recreate it, hopefully. Node modules, node API, nappy.h. You are a real file. You should not break. Ugh! Off the nappy, whatever. No, I know that part. I'm talking about Windows.h. I don't know what we all need it for, unless Nappy needs it. But Nappy doesn't have any of it in there. It's gonna break again. VS Code. Stop. Are you just gonna... Okay. I guess we're just gonna force quit VS Code. Oh, look, let's put the stream. It's like 4 pixels. You know what? Okay. You know what? Alright. Yeah. You have 4 pixels. No BS. VS Code. Okay. There we go. Here. You know what? Settings. Can I change that real quick? Because we can crank up that stream output. Video. Oh, well, I can't change it. I wish I had 4 pixels too, but apparently I can't change the output while we're streaming, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. There's different themes for... Oh, fuck. I didn't even know that OBS had themes. No. Oh, so what are you guys all gonna break? Oh, Visual Studio broke again. Okay, have you... No, it defaults to dark theme. Just the default theme that it installs is the dark theme. I did not know that. Alright, let's see. Why is my computer so... No, it... The heck? Huh. Some weird-ass noises in my apartment. Okay, include path. See, there's more include path issues. And I'm not sure why. I don't know what this... Module.cpp. Client.hpp. There's client.hpp. Pragma once. Module.cpp. Client. What is going on here? I feel like I just needed to take a break and do something else, because I don't even know, because it's all, I don't think it's right. Well, right now we're not having any issues with the actual code, as far as I know. It's all the fact that these fucking includes are just in pragmas are broken. Bamboozle 2. Do I have Unity installed? No, I don't have Unity installed. I felt like I had Unity, Oh yeah, do you like this, UI there? Oh yeah, that's some good if statements going on. We could work on, Bamboozle 2. What else do we have to work on? I want to figure this out, though. I'm going to figure this out. I want to... Okay, let's figure this out. Okay. So, what are your issues? Include errors detected. Quick fix. No code actions available. Nice. Okay, please update your include path. See if we can figure this fuck out. Okay, so if we Google this, God, Stack Overflow's garbage. have that installed. Let's see what else we have to work on though, because I don't know where we are. Color LS. What the heck is this? I didn't do this. Go away. I don't want you. I forked someone's stuff. Oh, we can work on biosynthetic. That's what we're going to work on. Oh, yes. Oh, that's exactly what we're going to work on. I don't actually even remember if this works. But we need some desktop audio for this. Because y'all boys need to hear this. Oh god, yes. .NET run. Alright. .NET run. Oh, I know what you need. Oh god. .NET list frameworks. That didn't help. So we should target framework version. If we just that, we just do that, and try it again. Oh, friggin' dang neato. Alright, so it's just not gonna work, apparently. Control open, and we do biosynthetic, cc program.cs. Man, I haven't worked on this in a hot minute. So you're mad that you're gonna be on that? Add config. We gotta just open biosynthetic. Okay. Don't save. Biosynthetic. F5. Open launch.json. It's too much work. I don't care enough. I'm not actually gonna work on it, so alright, let's take a look at your project there with async. We can do cryptscript again. Boozled, yada yada yada, followers. I have 4 followers. One of them is you. Resume, whiteboard. Whiteboard. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. You asked for this. You asked for me to open this up. Yeah, you're mad because you can't fucking run it because it doesn't fucking exist. Just be like, oh god, fucking, we can't do that. No, you fucking can't do that, you just shits. Refresh. refresh. Oh. ls sudo rmr biostatic, and then we'll git clone there. cd whiteboard. Oh, there we go. MNT whiteboard. There we go. See, now we're opening it up, and we're going to show your code to everyone. Oh, that's not your code. That's my code. Fuck, we don't want to show everyone that. Whiteboard. Okay. So, do I just run it? See what happens if we just run it and see what happens. I don't actually know. Okay, unable to run the fucking project. Neato been frickin' neato. So how do I use it? Calendar.cs, users.cs. Oh fuck! God damn! Oh, I just kicked my chair. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that hurts. Oh. Ow. Ow, I hurt myself. No shit. I don't even care. User gender. REST operations.cs. Oh, that's a lot of code. That's a lot of code I don't want to go through. Delete async. Put async. Let's see what other code you have. Let's look at your code. Let's take a look. Fuck, that hurts really bad. Fetch links. Fetch list async. Record task, completion in a dictionary. That's right, because you would have that weird issue where just like some of them just straight up wouldn't fucking watch. No. That doesn't look too bad. That's pretty simple. Resume, Perlin, Sharp, ANSI, personal website, Unity, generic scripts, Bamboozle. Fuck. Let's open Bamboozle. Let's play fucking Bamboozle. Unity app image. Here's what we're gonna do. Also, we're gonna do cd downloads Unity prep master ln. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, that's pretty fucking neat. It don't even work. Here's what we're gonna do. I know what I want it to do, so we're just going to we're gonna go down here and we're just going to do this. Required install. Do we need optional install? What's optional install? No, we don't want optional install. Okay, and then we're not going to reboot. Okay, so we'll write that out. Exit, exit, and then we'll try it again. So while that's running, okay, so we'll look at your resume while that's running. Here's the source for generating my resume. So how do it work? Wow, that's quite the command there you came up with. We'll make a new terminal. We'll bring this terminal up there. Okay, so cd mnt git clone. There we go. cd resume. Okay, so npm install. Pretty proud of it. Are you now? Well, we're gonna judge the shit out of it. We're going to okay. Node index.js. And then this fucking command. Oop. Ah. What is it even supposed to do? What is it supposed to do, Isaac? What's this command supposed to do? Explain to the class what this line of code is supposed to do. Converts HTML to PDF. Oh. To PDF. My password. Nice. Okay. Nice. What if we just look at your code? Isaac Corbre, yada yada yada. App Locksmith. I know, aren't they? It's because we're installing this. Yes. Ugh. Releases. One release. You want your PDF. Just save file. We can open PDFs, I think. I think we have a PDF reader. I'm pretty sure we have a PDF reader. Is that it? Yes? What with another application? Search. Fox. Dun 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 dun. Wine Internet Explorer? Yes, please. That's what I fucking want. Alright, Wine Browser. Open it up. Open that bad boy up. I like how you offer both a tarball and a zip file for the code. What a sweet guy. The app image. Linux. Okay, so we need that. This download link is here. You have 1.01, that's in 2018. Yeah, that's probably pretty recent. Save file. So, just an app image. Just open the goddamn app image. Ugh! Why can't I open the app image? If you don't know how to use an app image, here's this. Oh, I probably gotta make it executable. Yep. Properties, permissions, executing the file, yada yada yada. Now, theoretically, why are you unplugged? Why are you unplugged? Shit. Ugh! My computer monitor just came unplugged. Oh, fuck. Oh, is it a GitHub thing? Oh, shit. Are you just not gonna let me see it? Oh, it's over there. It's on the wrong screen. That's probably why I couldn't fucking see it earlier. No Unity version. Add. Sure. Next. Android build support? Yeah, we're gonna do fucking... Done. Cancel. Oh, add a Unity version. Dismiss. But why can't... Dismiss. Oh shit. It knows me. Editor folder location, yada yada yada. Okay, actually, yeah, that's right. So, if we go to installs and we add a version of Unity, probably should be able to just install it. And that's probably going to take for goddamn ever, because Unity's probably pretty big. Oh! Oh, fuck. This chair that I'm sitting in is not comfortable. Okay, we could figure out WebAssembly. That's a thing we could do. Or, let's see what other code you have, Isaac. Let's see what, let's review your code. A splitter generator. I don't know what this is. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just make you a directory just for us reviewing your run. Is it gonna work? Oh, it sure isn't. Oh yeah, it wants me to install that. We're not going to do that. Let's look at my old code. Let's see what old projects I have that have just died. Alright, so that we've been working on. There's 3 branches of it? Huh. People have forked it. Computer quit. No, those are okay. I see what's going on. Render.net. Homepage, personal homepage, common functions. Yeah, this I've been doing. It's been a godsend. I've used it so many times. Like, it's just, this is a good sleep function for JavaScript, and I can just copy and paste it. Real random in CS. It's cryptographically secure. Random number in a range. Python.json. So that's just reading that. Oh, look. We had a similar idea, Isaac. I forgot I did this. I was going to be an automated character generator, so I was going to ask you a couple questions and then dump all of the information in there. So you just have a pre-generated character sheet. I actually did write some code. I didn't write much code, but I wrote some code. Just a little bit of code. And your audio keeps cutting out. I keep turning it off so I can get a drink. Andersbot, SwiftOS, Reclinator, Best README, PowerShell. Here's a PowerShell. What PowerShell scripts have I created? Choco install. Oh, well, that's the first. No, like what you're talking. Really? That's interesting. I don't know why. I wouldn't know. Kuzal API. What is Kuzal API? Oh, I know what Kuzal API is. Oh, yeah. Kuzal API. Kuzal was a cryptocurrency account that I was going to make, and it generates verifies credit card information. Fun fact. HTML index.html I think just has So is this gonna work? I don't actually think this one has a environment up and running. Oh, it does. It's deployed. GitHub pages. View deployment. Console. It must be a string. So if we do this and do like input must be a string. It is a string. Do you want it to be like in quotes or something? The fuck does this want? Huh. I don't fucking know. I don't remember. That was a long time ago. I wrote that. When was actually? It probably wasn't that long ago. And all things considered, when was this? October 12th. Then again, I've only been programming for like a year, so. And then there's Bamboozle. Oh, there's Bamboozle. It's or. What is or? Oh shit. Color scheme. Alright, so these are just images that I found somewhere, apparently. Wow, this must be a massive fucking image. Nope. Foop killed Noop. Noob. Okay, is this done yet? Yeah, you're done. But are you done? Nope, sure not. I think it's installing mono right now, and mono I don't need. Can I cancel you? Stop! Stop! In the name of the law. I'm gonna kill you. It's installing. Fuck me. I think this is about the end of the show. I think about it this time. I think it's about the end of the show when we're since we're not doing anything here. We're just kind of browsing GitHub. Big list of naughty strings. There's a JSON of it. 999999999. Nan, infinity, negative infinity. I wonder if this also... I like how there's just emojis. Let's zoom in here. Look at that. Look at that. That's on the big list of naughty strings. Okay, he who waits behind the wall. And a lot of stuff that makes sense. If you're reading this, you've been in a coma for almost 20 years now. We're trying. We hope it works. Please wake up. We miss you. Rip me. I guess I've been in a coma for 20 years. Magna cum laude. Why are some of these shiitake mushrooms? Anyways, I'm gonna call this the end of the show, guys. Thank you. You still doing this, right? Monster? Not really. I'll be honest. Not today. I'm gonna keep doing it. It's just not gonna be today. So, again, so it's the end of the stream, so I gotta talk to all of you guys, and, about the normal stuff. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, yada yada yada. Discord's link down below. That's really the only one link down below that's important. I guess the GitHub link's down there if you wanna make a pull request and hey, you figure out how to do this, go for it. It'd be great. It's GitHub, it's open source. I'm okay with you committing code to it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I am out of here though.